Hello guys and welcome to another UK Card Club card review video. Today we're looking at the Bicycle Unicorn deck. Now in case you hadn't noticed, purple is my favourite colour. So we're going to do the purple deck. I do have the pink one, but I thought I'd crack open this bad boy. Now if anyone who's watching this live, actually this could be a good time to plug this. Playingcarddecks.com currently have, as of this moment, this deck for $2.99. Now if that's not a steal, I don't know what is. So yeah, just to make anyone aware that that's the current price on these. They are cheap anyway, about $4.99, but bargain. So we'll have a look at the tuck case. I like the fact it's like a varying shade of purple. It sort of starts off darker and sort of lightens as it gets to the middle. Very cool. Unicorn there. Air cushion finish made in the USA. Air cushion finish made in the USA in French. Yeah, very cool. It's not a full image of the back. It's just, it doesn't leave a mass amount to the imagination, but it gives you an idea of what you're getting inside, because then you can see the front of another card, which is great. I'm going to try and get into it. I'll just poker sized format poker. Yeah, I'm in. Usually I pause at this stage because it takes me ages to get in, but we're in relatively easily today. Careful. Take the cards out. Whoa! So we have French, English. It's pretty cool. The other one, I think, the last video I did was the House Blend, and it had two separate cards, one in French, one in English, but that's still pretty cool. Oh, we've got a double backer, which you didn't have in the House Blend, which is good. And then we've got Joker, purple, which is quite hard to tell, but it is purple. If that didn't tell you, this one does. Very purple, yellow, very cool. Let's get into the deck here. So we have the ace. Very cool, just like on the outside. On the outside on the tuck case. Very nice. The pips are purple, which you'll be able to see here. Both purple pips and purple indices. They're very dark purple, so on camera it's quite hard to see, but if we compare it to the back, you can see. It almost looks like this card has the pips cut out of it, and you can see this mat underneath it, which is pretty cool. 3, 4. Also, great purple colour. Now that's cool, look at that. It's like is it Violet Beauregard from Willy Wonka? She turns big and purple. That's very cool. Purple's my favourite colour, so that's a win. Ooh, pink for the reds. Let's get these out of the way. So yeah, that's a very pink. Contrasts well with the purple, which is good. They go well together. And that's cool. They've kept it purple, but they've added the pink pips and indices, which is really nice. Yeah, really cool. I mean, look at that difference. Proper nice. Oh, I'm a massive fan of these. It's a good thing because I've just bought a brick of them. Well, half a brick. But at $2.99 a deck, can't go wrong really, can you? Oh, very nice. They look very good together. A sort of pink, purple, pink. Very cool. Yeah. Big fan. Good, I'm going to use some of these actually. A lot of decks I get just one or two of, so I don't really get a chance to use them, but these I bought multiple of because they were cheap. I had two anyway, but now I can actually get some quality use out of them. Let's look at the backs. Cool. Very cool. Mono-directional, so obviously that's upside down, so it's not symmetrical, but it is very nice. It's a very cool purple, and there's like it looks like thorns hidden behind all these flowers here, which is very nice. I love the space sort of scape behind it with the stars. Oh, it's just very nice. Yeah, really cool deck. See a little ring of flowers. Yeah, I love it. I'm officially in love, which is really good because for sort of one of the cheaper decks, um, you know, everyone is going to be able to get these, and that's a really good thing because you know some decks are so hard to get hold of that people don't have the opportunity to enjoy them, and a lot of people that do manage to get hold of them end up paying through the nose, and they don't want to open them because of their value or how much they've had to shell out for them. So this is a really cool budget deck available to everyone, which I really like. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you next time when we'll be reviewing something else. Take care.